I'm Nick Langley, Managing Director of Airship and Balloon Company and one of the pilots of the new Stuart Balloons. First time we heard about the balloon was a phone call in September 2012 from someone I worked with many years ago, and a message on my voicemail. We had a meeting in London and discussed the various options of round balloons and special shapes, and Universal were very keen to have the character Stuart built into a special shape hot air balloon. I went to Cameron Balloons in Bristol, who are the world's largest manufacturer of hot air balloons, and discussed the various options with them, and we settled on Stuart. The first step is to create a three-dimensional wireframe design of the balloon. Then it goes to the graphics department, who fill in all the gaps, and then the final product is sent down to the largest photorealistic printing machine in the West Country. The colours of Stuart have to be faithfully reproduced. Approximately 2,000 metres of ripstop nylon were used in the making of Stuart. The printing process takes 2 to 3 days to complete. The baskets are made of traditional Somerset willow, and although other materials have been tried over the years, including carbon fibre, aluminium and fiberglass, none of them allow the balloon to land safely and protect the occupants. The rawhide and the leather are both hand-stitched to the basket by very skilled craftsmen at Cameron Balloons. The burners are all fabricated on site by Camerons, and this is an incredibly specialist skill. The stainless steel coils which carry the gas before it's ignited by the pilot light are all bent and formed by Camerons on site. The basket carries 4 flight cylinders, each of which contains 60 litres of liquid propane gas, which is used to fuel the burner on the balloon. Each cylinder of liquid propane lasts about an hour's flying time. The burner frames are fabricated on site and are designed to carry the correct number of burners for the size of the balloon. Stuart has a double burner, so there are 2 burners and 2 hoses connected to the independent fuel supplies. The large passenger balloons can have as many as 4 or 5 burners and the same number of tanks to feed them. When the balloon printing is finished, the individual panels are taken to the seamstresses and they assemble them into the balloon. Stuart has about 10 kilometres of thread holding him together. Although Stuart is great fun to fly, his main job is to promote the new Despicable Me 2 film in high-profile locations. These have included the Manchester 10K run, a tether at Tower Bridge, the film festival in Annecy in France, high-profile locations in Madrid, and a pop concert in Italy.